if your channel is on shadow ban? How to know if your channel is in shadow ban? How to fix it? Yes, do shadow ban exist on YouTube? People ask this question. Yes, there is shadow ban. Shadow ban exists on YouTube, and you have to be very careful on what you do on YouTube to avoid to follow the community guideline, to avoid your channel being put on shadow ban. Yes, it is very important as a new channel and as a young creator or a YouTube creator to know that your channel can be put on shadow ban. Yes, can be put on shadow ban. Yes, it is very important to know that. If you see your channel or on your views, you post your video or you upload your video, and your video don't go viral or it is not, the views are less than 500 or less than 100, and before it was going to thousands, your channel might be on shadow ban. Yes, you have to be very careful on this. If you look on you have to look on your impression on your channel. If your channel is not, your impression have gone down maybe twice before than before, your channel might be put on the shadow ban. It is very risky. Nothing can be go or your channel cannot be recommended by the YouTube algorithm when it is on shadow ban. Yes, you have to avoid spamming and sub to sub. For example, spamming, it's like promoting your channel by writing messages. Yes, you have to avoid this. Maybe maybe sub to sub. If you are doing it on your WhatsApp group, you might find that on your channel those subs are no longer there because your channel might be put on shadow ban. Yes, avoid this and fix this. Avoid violating community guideline to make sure that your videos are recommended by the YouTube algorithm. Welcome. Please subscribe. How to know if your channel is on shadow ban and how to fix it. How to know if your channel is in shadow ban. If you enter on your channel, to know if your channel is on shadow ban, you have to look your visibility. You have to look the views. You have to look the impression. Maybe like this channel. You see the channel, my channel. You come on your content. You see the videos. How are the views? How are the views here? 4, 8, 15, like that. If you want to know if your channel is on shadow ban, you have to look on your views. If they are dropping and no addition, you have to look. You have to know your channel might on shadow ban. Go to analytics. Go to analytics. When you enter on your analytics, you see overview, content, audience, and trends. You have to see the views. My views are more. If you are your views, you are seeing less than 100, you have to know, you have to think that your channel might be on shadow ban. You look like watch time is not improving at all, although it is not growing at all. Yes, you have to know your channel is on shadow ban. Yes, you have to look all these things. Come on impression. You have to see the impression. It is more. If you see there is no impression or people are not seeing anything, you have to think your channel might be on the shadow ban. So you have to make sure to remove all those spam or promoting your channel by messaging or promoting your channel by messaging or spamming or sub to sub. Please make sure your channel is not on shadow ban. Make sure that you don't promote your channel by yourself. You might not know, but later you have to know there is shadow ban exists. Yes, you have to see that. come on the dashboard, yes, and then enter on your analytics so that you see everything. Watch time, yes, you see impression, click through the rate, average, how many hours do people watch. You have to look everything about it.